My name is Jaden Selling He, and I'm the leader of Group 4. The topic that we will be discussing is about topic 9, about environmental issues. And we consist of 5 members in our group, which are Queenie He, Wilson Wong, Cindy Pui, and Hong Ying Jing. So every one of them will be discussing about one topic, which are deforestation, land pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, and water pollution. And I will be discussing about land pollution. Land pollution is a pressing environmental issue that affects ecosystem, human health, and the overall quality of life. From industrial waste to plastic debris, human activities have led to widespread contamination of the soil, posing significant challenges to sustainable development. The causes in the info below, I will be discussing the causes of land pollution, the effects of land pollution, and the solutions to solve land pollution. Land pollution arises from a variety of human activities, including industrialization, urbanization, agriculture, and improper waste disposal. Industries release toxic chemicals and heavy metals into soil through runoff and direct dumping, contaminating vast expanses of land. Urban sprawl and construction projects lead to soil erosion and habitat destruction, further exacerbating land degradation. Agriculture practices such as pesticide and fertilizer use contribute to soil contamination, compromising its fertility and long-term viability. Next, I will be discussing about the effects of land pollution. The effects of land pollution are wide-ranging and profound. Contaminated soil diminishes agricultural productivity, jeopardizing food security and livelihoods. Toxic substances seep into groundwater sources, posing health risks to nearby communities and ecosystems. Soil erosion and habitat loss disrupt ecosystems, leading to the decline of plants and animal species. Additionally, land pollution exacerbates climate change by releasing greenhouse gases and reducing the Earth's capacity to sequester carbon. And next, I'll be discussing about the solutions to solve the land pollution. Addressing land pollution requires concerted efforts at an individual, community, and governmental levels. Implementing stringent regulations on industrial waste disposal and pollution control is essential to minimize contamination of the soil. Promoting sustainable land management practices such as afforestation, soil conservation, and organic farming helps restore the degraded ecosystem and enhance soil health. Encouraging recycling, composting, and reducing single-use plastics reduces the burden on landfills and mitigates pollution too. Education and awareness campaigns play a crucial role in fostering environmental stewardship and promoting responsible behavior towards land resources. In conclusion, land pollution poses significant challenges to environmental sustainability and human well-being. By understanding its causes and effects and implementing viable solutions, we can mitigate its impact and preserve the integrity of our land for future generations. It is imperative that we adopt a holistic approach to land management, balancing economic development with environmental protection. Together, let us arrive towards a cleaner, healthier planet where land pollution is a thing of the past. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Queenie He. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies by harmful substances stemming from diverse sources like industrial discharge, agricultural runoff, and untreated sewage. These pollutants range from chemical and heavy metals to pathogens and plastic debris pose serious threats to aquatic ecosystem and human health. They disrupt ecological balance, leading to the decline of fish population, loss of biodiversity, and degrading of habitats. Additionally, contaminated water and harbor diseases causing microorganisms resulting in the waterborne illness such as cholera and dysentery. Moreover, exposure to toxic pollutants in water can long-term health consequences including cancers and neurological disorders. Effort to combat water pollution require a multifaceted approach encompassing regulatory measures, technological advances, and public engagement. Government must enact and enforce strict regulation to remove pollutant discharge and ensure proper waste management practice. Furthermore, investment in wastewater treatment, infrastructure, and pollution prevention technology is crucial to mitigate the impact of pollution on water quality. Additionally, public education campaigns play a vital role in promoting responsible environmental behavior and fostering a culture of conservation. By addressing water pollution comprehensively, societies and protect water resources, preserve ecosystems, and safeguard human health for current and future generations. That's all my point. Thank you.
My name is Wilson. Now I want to talk about noise pollution. Noise pollution refers to excessive, displeasing or disruptive sound that interfere with normal activity and cause harms to human and the environment. It affects health, well-being, communications, wildlife, and overall quality of life. The source of noise pollution are traffic noise, industrial noise, and community noise. The noise pollution will affect human health. First, physical health. It can affect human hearing loss, cardiovascular issue, and sleep disturbance. The noise pollution will make human stress and decrease the productivity. Environmental also affect, for example, distribution of ecosystem, wildlife habitat, disturbance, and change in animal behavior. Noise pollution will affect ecological imbalance. It disruptions of breeding and feeding patterns. Noise pollution also affect on marine life. The underwater noise pollution affect marine mammals and fish. So government worldwide have enact noise ordinance, zoning regulation, and vocal noise emission standard to mitigate noise pollution. Efforts affect the workplace safety protocol, impose limit on noise exposure to safeguard workers from occupational hazard. We also reduce personal noise with using headphones instead of loudspeakers, maintain vocal property properly. We also support noise reduction initiative, raise awareness in your community. In conclusion, noise pollution is a widespread issue with significant health and environment consequences. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Cindy Brisley. Now I want to talk about deforestation. Deforestation is the process of clearing forests and trees on a large scale, primarily for human activities such as agriculture, logging, urbanization, and infrastructure development. It involves the permanent removal of forested areas, leading to the loss of tree cover and the conversion of natural ecosystem into non-forest land uses. Deforestation occurs worldwide, driven by various economic, social, and environmental factors. The disadvantages of deforestation is loss of biodiversity. Deforestation results in the destruction for habitats for countless plant and animal species, leading to biodiversity loss. Many species are unable to adapt or relocate, resulting in population declines and even extinction. Furthermore, deforestation causes climate change. Trees play a crucial role in regulating the Earth climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. When forests are cleared, the stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere, contributing to greenhouse gas emission and exacerbating climate change. The solution to deforestation is promoting sustainable land use, encouraging sustainable land management practices such as agroforestry, reforestation, and sustainable logging can help mitigate the impacts of deforestation while meeting human needs for resources. Additionally, enforcing forest conservation laws, strengthening the enforcing laws and regulation against illegal logging, land clearing, and forest encroachment are essential for protecting remaining forested areas and biodiversity hotspots. In conclusion, deforestation poses significant environmental, social, and economic challenges worldwide. Addressing deforestation requires concerted effort and collaboration at local, national, and international levels, with a focus on promoting sustainable land management, protecting biodiversity, and supporting the rights and livelihoods of forest-dependent communities. That's all from me. Thank you.
Air pollution is one of the serious problems facing the world today. Let's start with some comprehensive facts. Air pollution scares millions of people prematurely every year around the world, and respiratory illness risk is million-more. This is not only an environmental problem, but also a serious health challenge. Air pollution is not just a technical of the economic issues, it is a moral issue.
we need to be aware that the impact of pollution of human health. Animals, where an entire ecosystem have profound ethical implications. We each have a responsibility to take actions to reduce our negative impact on the environment.
And next one is
Better development of palm oil plantations have caused damages to the environment. These have led to the deforestation of large tracts of forests, the loss of habitat, and the endangerment of many rare plants and animals. At the same time, this also brings social and economic challenges to local communities, especially the impact on indigenous communities.
and the next one is
Talk about endangered animals again. Many species are in danger of extinction due to the impact of human activity. Problems such as habitat destruction, pollution, and poaching make it increasingly difficult for their animals to survive. Therefore, protecting the endangered species is not only a responsibility but also an important contribution to biodiversity.
afterward is
Environment issues, reducing waste and conserving water are crucial. Through practices such as recycling, composting, and reducing the use of single-use plastic, we can reduce the negative impact of waste on the environment. At the same time, water conservation is also crucial, especially when faced with the challenges of water scarcity.
finally
Another important topic is the proper disposal of household chemicals. Improper handling of these chemicals can pose serious risks to human health and the environment. Therefore, we need to follow proper disposal methods such as utilizing recycling programs of hazardous waste collection facility.
that's all for me. Thank you.